The Gear Shift Hoodie cover by the Cellac store is a unique and charming automotive accessory designed to add personality and comfort to your car's interior. This product is essentially a mini hoodie made of soft velvet fabric that fits over the gear shift knob, providing both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. It is marketed as a universal fit, designed to suit most car shifters with a knob head less than 2.2 inches in diameter, measuring 5.2 by 4.5 inches in size. The cover comes in multiple colors, typically sold in a set of two, such as black and red, and offers a fun way to personalize your vehicle. One of the standout features of this gear shift cover is its material. The velvet fabric is soft to the touch, comfortable to grip, and durable enough to withstand regular use. This fabric choice also helps protect the gear shift knob from scratches, dust, and damage, which can be especially useful for maintaining the interior of your car. Additionally, the cover helps keep the gear shift warm during cold weather, making it more comfortable to handle in winter months. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a simple slip-on action, and the cover is machine washable, which makes cleaning easy and convenient. Customer feedback from over 1,500 ratings shows a generally positive reception with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Many users praise the cover for its cuteness and the way it adds a playful touch to their car interiors. Owners of cars like the 2016 Nissan Murano have reported that the cover fits snugly and does not interfere with shifting, which is a critical aspect of usability. The novelty factor is also a recurring theme in reviews, with many buyers noting that it makes them smile and that friends and family find it amusing. Some users have gifted the hoodie cover and found it to be a delightful and unexpected present, appreciated for its unique design and practical benefits. However, not all feedback is without criticism. A notable concern is the size compatibility. Despite being advertised as universal, some users with larger gear shift knobs, such as those on certain Honda CR-Vs or Ford Fiestas, found the cover too small to fit properly. In these cases, the hoodie either barely fits or looks like it is just sitting on top without fully covering the knob. This size limitation means that while the product suits many vehicles, it is not truly one size fits all. Potential buyers should measure their gear shift knob before purchasing to ensure a good fit. Another minor downside mentioned by some users is the fading of the fabric's color over time, especially when exposed to direct sunlight. This is a common issue with many fabric-based car accessories and not unique to this product, but it is worth noting for those who park their cars outdoors frequently. Despite this, the quality of the material and stitching is generally regarded as good, with users feeling that the product is well made for its price point. The design itself is a significant part of the appeal. The hoodie shape with a tiny hood and sometimes a small gold chain detail adds a whimsical character to the gear shift. It transforms a mundane car part into a conversation piece and a source of joy. The cover is also ambidextrous, meaning it can be used comfortably by both left and right-handed drivers. This attention to detail enhances the overall user experience. In terms of practicality, the cover provides a layer of protection against wear and tear, which can extend the life of the gear shift knob. Its velvet material also offers a warmer grip during colder seasons, which can improve driving comfort. Cleaning is hassle-free since the cover is machine washable and dries quickly, making it easy to maintain its appearance. Overall, the Gear Shift Hoodie cover is a fun, quirky, and functional car accessory that stands out for its design and material quality. It is ideal for those who want to add a personal touch to their vehicle and enjoy a bit of humor in their daily drive. While it may not fit every car perfectly due to size variations, it fits well on many popular models and receives high marks for comfort and ease of use. It is an affordable way to brighten up your car interior and protect your gear shift knob at the same time. If you own this product, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description and using it supports the channel. This cover is a great gift idea or a personal treat for anyone who enjoys cute and practical car gadgets.